Hey, what's up? I'm Andrew with Field Treasure Design. So behind me is my Paulk Workbench that I made, and I have a 3-part video series kind of helping show you exactly how I made it so you can make your own. But in this video, I wanted to show you how I set it up and tear it down and how easy and awesome it is to do that. So check this out. Hey, what's up? Don't forget, I've got 3 other videos that show you exactly how I made my Paulk Workbench, so check those out. Also, subscribe to stay connected for all my future videos. Thanks so much, and we'll see you later.